if you don't have ViscoCam, or you don't if you don't want to use ViscoCam, or if you're taking photographs using a digital camera rather than a camera phone, here's an alternative way to process your images for class on September 8th. So I'm showing you this on a Mac computer, and so I recommend that you do this on a Mac rather than a Windows machine. I'm not sure if Windows has these tools, so you might need to go to the library or to the Digital Media Studio that we visited today to access a Mac computer. But once you have your images available to you on the computer, go ahead and if you double click one, it should open in preview. You'll see preview up here. If it doesn't open in preview for some reason, you can hit control and then click or right click on the mouse and open with preview. So once you have your image open, to access the color adjustment tools in preview, you want to click on this little pencil right here. It says show edit toolbar. So you click on it and you'll see these list of icons pop up, and then the color control tools are in this triangle one. It's called adjust color. Click on that and these color adjustments sliders will pop up. So these work very similar to camera phone apps that have similar tools. If you just slide these around, you'll notice the changes that they make. So what I'd like you to do to process your image is just play with them. You can move them from one extreme to the other and then inch them back to find some acceptable place for them. And what I'd like you to do is just go down the line and find the settings that look best to you. And then you can play around with these. And then once you have your images, your image exactly where you'd like it, I'd like you to do two things. One is to record, to screenshot this box, this adjust color box, by holding down Shift, Command, and the number 4. Shift, Command, and the number 4, and you'll see this little target appear. And so if you move this target and you click, hold down the mouse click or your trackpad, and you draw a box around this, it'll take a screenshot of just that little box. And you'll see it here, screenshot, it'll appear. So that's a screenshot. It'll record your settings. I just want to see the changes that you've made to your image. So once you've done that, you can then save your image by either hitting save, but it's probably best to hit export, so you're not saving over your original image. So quality, I'm going to move to best, and then I'm going to type copy here because I want to tell myself this is a copy of that image. And I'm going to save that image. So it'll be named the same thing but with copy at the end. That way I'm not losing my original image. So I have the copy and the original. So please do that to all your 5 images. Make sure you do a screenshot for each one so that you could name this after this image right here. So that image is IMG 2102 and so on. Just name it the same thing as you've done here, so you know that it corresponds to that image. Hopefully that makes sense.